so much splendor. Praise you, God, like what shall I render? Who is like you? There's no contender. I give you my all, to you I surrender. No words that are fitting to describe you. Searched all around and there's really none like you. How am I supposed to describe the creator of the universe in a 16-bar verse? Like where do I start with the one who begins and ends? The one who life itself depends. Let me try here. Look. I see God in the beautiful rose. I see God in the musical notes. I see God in the rising sun. I see God in everyone. I see God in the beautiful rose. I see God in the musical notes. I see God in the rising sun. I see God in everyone.
Father, you are the greatest. Unto you I sing praises. Nobody else compares to you. Never change through the ages. You are always so gracious. Nobody else compares to you. Much less, my God, nobody can contest your greatness. You're the greatest. As great as you are so loving and kind. I sing praises to you most high. I am that I am, I glorify. I praise you forever and ever and ever and ever. My God of the universe, so loving, you put me first, you put me first. All I see is you.
I see God in the beautiful rose. I see God in the musical notes. I see God in the rising sun. I see God in everyone. I see God in the beautiful rose. I see God in the musical notes. I see God in the rising sun. I see God in everyone.
Father, you are the greatest. Unto you I sing praises. Nobody else compares to you. Never change through the ages. You are always so gracious. Nobody else compares to you. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. The battle's already won. So I'll keep on going strong, yeah, strong. See, I have already overcome, Oh yeah, this is my victory song, yeah. Whatever may come my way, I will keep on praising. Cause I know that you are right here. I will keep prevailing. Whatever may come my way, it will never faze me. You keep me going on and on, yeah. On and on. Oh, I praise you from morning until dawn. On and on. I will keep on singing. This is my victory song. Papa, the things you do for me, Papa. Your love is so sweet, Papa. I cannot tell it all. It's not all I can recall. Papa, you qualified me and made me your own. Now I am sanctified, cause you are the one inside. Whatever may come my way, I will keep on praising. Cause I know that you are right here. I will keep prevailing. Whatever may come my way, it will never faze me. You keep me going on and on. On and on. Oh, I praise you from morning until dawn. On and on. I will keep on singing. This is my victory song. Yeah. 1 step, 2 step, 3 step. This is my victory song. 1 step, ooh, 2 step. Keep on marching on. Never the same, my life changed, never the same. When you came, everything changed, everything changed. Where I once was, who I once was, when I was lost. Never the same, my life changed, never the same. My king is true, born in a manger. To a virgin woman, the word was given and he became man. Everywhere he went, signs and wonders that made the people wonder. What manner of man is this that can make the lame walk and the blind see? And he came, everything then changed. He gave me a new name. All the old things were passed away. With his blood he washed away. All the guilt and the shame. Now we stand and proclaim in Jesus' name. Never the same, my life changed, never the same. When you came, everything changed, everything changed. Where I once was, who I once was, when I was lost. Never the same, my life changed, never the same.
What's up, chat? What's up, gang? How you guys doing? Happy Monday, everybody. Good morning, good morning. What's up, what's up? Drop the energies in the chat, gang. Let's go. I need to see the energies today. Good morning, Andrew. What's up, Eric? How you guys doing? Yeah, we having 800 subs right now. Thank you guys for subscribing to the live stream. Let's go. Drop the energies in the chat.
Never the same, my life changed, never the same. When you came,
Yeah. First giving honor to God, to Miss Carol who had first brought me and my moms, to the church where I know I ain't been in so long. I just pray that when I call, they still pick up the phone. Yeah. With judgment coming from all angles, I'll never defend myself for approval from strangers when they don't give a damn about my kids. Shit, you ain't gotta pray for me, just pray for them. And pray for my mama, pray for my sis. We miss my granny, we need her at times like this. To think I prayed for the world to be back open, just to lose both of my grandparents to COVID. And pray for every one of my little cousins, who was really more like sisters and brothers. I gotta thank them for sharing their dad, cause growing up he was really all that I had. You know, growing up at a young age, my pops got deported to Jamaica. And my uncle stepped up and was the father I never had. So when I say like, gotta thank my little cousins for sharing their dad, they really shared their dad with me. He was the father figure I never had. And he really part of the reason why I am the way I am today. And why I'm as successful as I am in this very moment. Instead of arguing on live, I should have prayed with T-Fly. I could have got straight to the point instead of letting jokes fly. I should have called Ty, cause he don't struggle with his pride. If it was up to him to push it, still be alive. So pray for me, pray for YG, pray for PC, pray for TC, pray for Reem, Ace, Jade, and Clean, India and Ty, forever be the squad. Gotta pray for Teddy, gotta pray for Lays. Big S and Lil S, I love them both the same. They're a big part of the reason why I didn't bang. And that's a big part of the reason I'm still here today. So pray for Miko and pray for LMA. Everything we done together kept our family straight. Pray for anybody rocking the 10 Summers chain. And any other homies that I didn't name. You know, it's a lot of homies I ain't naming shit, man. Pray for B-Wade, a real childhood friend. Pray for Noah, my assistant, man. Pray for Shako, the handicapped foodie. Pray for my engineer, David. We've been in this motherfucker day in, day out. Blood, sweat, and tears for 5 years. Pray for my niggas, Day Day and Glove, man. Them niggas kept us safe so many motherfucking nights.
What's up, everybody? Good morning, good morning. Shout out to 17 viewers right now. How you guys doing? Can I see the energies in the chat? Let me see who's here. Drop the energies in the chat. What's up, John? Good morning. Seeing good morning. Let's see who's here. Drop the energies in the chat, gang. Let's see. I want to see the energies in the chat. Energies in the chat today. I want to see that. What's up, Joseph? How you doing? Yeah, gold move a lot. With a dollar in the dream, man. We're dreaming the dollars today. We're dreaming some trades today. We're dreaming some W's today. Vina, good morning. What's up? What's up? How you guys doing? Good morning. You'll be alright. We'll be alright. We'll be alright. We'll be alright. Okay, chat. Man, we move already, man. We move a lot here. We have some gap. Ooh, we move 600, almost 600 pips today. Holy smokes. No bottom wick. Again and again. Look at this. Can you look at that? Oh. Can you look at that? Man, look at that. Can you look at that? 3,000 pips, 3,700 pips. Holy smokes. Let's La Casa de Papel. Then we have some gap here, but yeah, if man, I'm gonna expect that we're gonna fill this gap this week. I would say, but let's see. Who's ready for the day, gang? Who's ready for the day? Drop the W's in the chat if you're ready for the day. If you wanna win today, drop the W's in the chat. Drop W's in the chat if you wanna win today. If you're ready today. Let me do the top down. Damn, nothing with the. All right, so let's start with the monthly time frame here, chat. As you can see here, we're moving up. All right, we're moving up here. We cannot do anything here on price. We just move up here, and we don't have top wick. We don't have bottom wick. We don't have bottom wick. 1 day and 14 hours left for this candle to close. Yeah. I don't know if we're gonna close without top wick or there is a top wick. But it doesn't matter because we're heading to the upside, man. We're just pushing up right now. The price is 3,800, man. Right? 3,800. We're gonna drop down to the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame just open up here. Make some gap here, I believe. Yeah, we make some gap. We move all the way almost 650, 620 pip on the price. Daily time frame, as you can see. So the daily time frame is a little bit tricky here because we have support has been formed, okay, and the resistance up here. And as you can see, this candle didn't close above, right? And then open of the candle push up here. There today, I because right now there is a lot of volume to the market. This candle can close bearish probably like this today, okay, but I'm not, I'm not 100% it gonna close like this because if there is a lot of volumes, there is a lot of buyers still, the price can just ranging around here on price, and NY session can push up even further today, right? Gold was crazy, right? Gold was crazy. So that's the daily 4 hour. Let's see. Okay, so the 4 here, we're just creating, we have resistance here. And then we have support form. And as you can see here, we talk about the last week that too many candles are tapping this support and then react. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 candles are tapping the support, then react, and then Right now it shoot up, right? So that's the 4. We see that. And then last week we have candle close bearish, no bottom wick. And as you can see, open of the candle today, no bottom wick, shooting up, retesting that, then move up. Right now we're trying to move down. Okay, we're trying to move down on the 4 hour. How many pip we move on the 4? 190 pip on the 4. Let's see on the 1. Okay, the 1 is re-breaking the previous candle low here. We have clean traffic going down on the 1 hour here. Clean traffic. Let's see. On the 130, yeah, 30 looks the same. We have clean traffic here on price. 130 pip. And on the 15, I believe 15 is a little bit choppy today. Yeah, we create some ranges here on price. This one is support. And we have next support here. Let's see here. Because we can, we can grab some buys too if we have like this kind of structure. So I'm gonna mark this as my resistance first. This one. So this is my resistance, and support probably down here. How many pip? We have 150 pip overall range. Range 1. 150 pip. Damn. That's nice. So once we close below, we have na 88, 90 pip range. But I need to say this. Okay, for this candle, for example, this candle closed bearish, right? And I need to see like at least one candle or close below like this, right? And then the next 15 gonna push down here, probably like that. Let's see. 1 hour is about to close, and we have levels that we need to be aware of on the left hand side here. We cannot take sells right away because the 4 hour is still open. This 4 hour can grab orders here and push up again, tapping the 15-minute support, and then we move up. But I don't want to take buys here right now because it's really, there's no structure that it's gonna go down. Okay, once we want to see this like this, selling is good once you tap this because this is the one there, right? Tapping support, and we're gonna sell here the top 3819. That's gonna be the idea. And it's really hard to take buys too here because you need one more tap, right? Like this. You're gonna take sell here, one more tap here to take buy to move up. This is the first stop, which is this one. So for me, it's not yet valid because you haven't you haven't seen any reactions on the price, right? This one is just a range. We just move up. Okay, so yeah. For now, we need to wait. Let's see in 4 minutes. In 4 minutes. Mm-mm. Let's see in 4 minutes, gang. Chat, if you have any questions, okay, let me know. Drop it in the chat. Any questions, make sure you like the stream, subs to the channel, and if you wanna follow me on IG, follow me for more trading content. Link is in description. Three minutes for candle to close. Shout out to 24 viewers right now. If you guys having questions in your mind, let me know. Drop it in the chat. Dun, 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 dun. 1 minute and 20 seconds here. No closure yet. Groovy, how you doing? What's up? What's up? Happy Monday. Good morning. So any close, probably like this, gang. Re-breaking the lows there. That would be nice. If the candle tap this, that would be nice to take buys up to retest the high here. Onion, some onion. But if this candle close, the next candle close bearish, this is different story. Now we need to wait for candle to close back in the range before taking buys up. Right? I missed my setup in the Asian session. Now I'm feeling forced to find a trade. No man, don't force. Mental game need to be strong now. Yeah, bro. If you miss, like, let's say if you miss a bus, so here's the thing. All right, in trading, okay, if you miss the setup, it's the same how you miss the taxis, the same how you miss the bus. So technically, you're gonna wait for the next bus to come and then, take the ride to go to your destination. You don't need to force any trade when you miss the trade. Okay, you need to be still patient. You need to be disciplined. Okay, and able for you to take that, because right now you're saying mental game need to be strong. Now it will come, right? It will come. It's all about practice it every single day. Okay, so as you can see here on the chart, we move a lot. All right, we move 600 pips already, but I don't care, bro. If this candle move 1000 pip, I don't care, because I'm not in the chart. I'm not in the front of chart. So for me, I don't have any FOMO. It will move. Man, the market will move. Without you, without me, without us, right? The market will move. Okay, so be patient. We just need to hop onto the chart and, you know, look on the best next trade every single day. Okay, because if we're gonna, you know that we if we're gonna force the trade, if we're gonna force some trades today, you know what gonna be the outcome, right? It's, you know, if you got some loss, you're gonna hit your mental game, whatever, right? It's really painful, bro. Trading is really painful, but if you follow your plan, if you follow your rules every single day, even you take the loss, man, you are really good because you follow your plan, you follow your rules. Taking loss, it's part of a game, right? You need to adapt. That's trading. That's trading for me, right? So yeah, see, look at that open of the candle, man. We're moving up without any bottom wick here. Damn, gold. A lot of volume today, huh? Man, 50 pips already in just 2 minutes candle. Holy smokes. Damn, chat. As you can see, 3 minutes candle move. Damn, 50 pips. Can you look at that? Can you look at that? Right now we're gonna wait. We're gonna wait here. Really risky to take a trade. Really risky. We're just waiting for some clean range. Yeah, clean range going down, clean range going up. We're not rushing the process. We're not rushing things today. It's Monday, so yeah. We have news today. No news. Okay, we have some minor folders here. Orange folder, 6 p.m. Right. Let's see if we have some tweets, Trump tweets today. We need to check price trend as much possible. Build Noguchi warns significant risks to Japan economy due to tariffs. Just important price trends. So nothing. Okay, nothing. No Trump tweets. No nothing. It just, you know, gold wants to move up. That's it. Gold wants to move up today, chat. Okay. Gold wants. May I believe today. I believe today in the Asian sessions, too many sellers has been clapped today, man. Believe me, bro. Too many sellers been clapped probably today. Been clapped here on the 3786 area, right? Because man, this is gonna be a tough supply zone here. I would say, right? This is gonna be a top supply zone that sellers need to take a sell, right? This area is it's pretty tough as you can see here, right? We have some structure here, move down, tapping supply, move down, tapping here, move down a little bit. Now you break out, man, push shoot up. Too many sellers here today, I believe. Been clapped. Damn, bro. Damn. I'm not trading Asian session, so man, I'm good. Chat, can I see 20 likes in the chat? Can I see 20 likes in the stream here? Gang, like the stream, subs to the channel. Let's go. I want to see 20 likes here. You know that YouTube won't give me any money here, right? You know that YouTube doesn't allow my YouTube channel doesn't allow to monetize. So I just really want to do the stream. I I just really want to do the streaming with you guys, and I just want to, see some likes, see some views, see some audience. So I am a support to the channel, gang. Like the stream, subs, that would be appreciated. All right, re-breaking the high on the 15. Damn, no bottom wick. 1 hour, crazy. $67 pip. Damn. If this candle, gang, shoot up here topping 3819, I'm gonna take a sell, all right? So we're moving up here. If this candle top 3819, we're taking sell. Stop should be 30 pips, 31 pips. 7 minutes for candle to close. Let's see. I'm gonna grab some sells today. And if you may ask why we're getting sell, okay, why we're getting trade against the trend, because we have structure here. We move up, okay, so we create some ranges here on price. We didn't top support, that's okay. All right, once you top this 3819, there's a high chance that we're gonna react and move down. So that's the idea. We're taking the same trade. Was that 20 pips last week? So this one, this is the trade. As you can see, the same trade, right? We have some range here. Move up, tap the support, creating some structure. You tap that, you move down, you tap that, then move down. So yeah, the same trade. Let's see here. How many pips? 49 pips away. 49 pips away here. Shout out to 29 viewers right now. Gang, make sure you like the stream. Can I see 20 likes in the chat? 20 likes. 20 likes, gang. Tun, 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 tun. Four minutes for candle to close. Chat, any questions, okay? Drop it in the chat. Any questions in your mind right now? All right, we're heading to the top side, chat. Locked in here, locked in here, locked in. Man, once you top 3819 here, it's gonna be nice. Oh. Mm-hmm. I mean, in 30 minutes, looks good too. 3817, yeah. 3817, stop should be up here. Mm-hmm. Yeah, 3817, it looks good. 3817, 3819 either. Right. Because in the 30, we have resistance on the left. 3817. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Ta-ta-ta-ta-ta. 92 pip for the 15 minutes candle move. Holy. Can you look at that? Can you look at that? Oh, we're pushing up, chat. Man. Let's go. Locked in here. Locked in. One more re-break. One more re-break. And we're good. One more re-break. 3817. And then stop should be fine. 3820, 3821. One more re-break. Top 3817 should be good. It should be good. Ta-da-ta-ta-ta-ta. Can you re-break now? Can you re-break the high one more time? Didn't re-break? Dun-dun-dun. 3817. Can we tap that 3817 levels? Be ready, gang, once you re-break the high here. Be ready. Three, 817 we need. We need to top. Re-break that. Oh, didn't top 3-7. Let's go. Can we top 3-817? Mm-hmm. Damn. Reacted on 3816. Didn't top 3817. Holy smokes. Damn. 11 minutes for candle to close. Damn, we moved on already. Holy. 53 pips. Ain't we active? No. Should top 3817 here to take a sell. That's the resistance of the 30. So yeah, didn't top. It's okay. Let's see. Let's see how this candle close. We're just probably gonna range here today on 3803 to 3819 here. Let's see, gang. Let's see. Didn't top 3817. That was really clean. Once you tap that, stop should be up here. Made 2.3 USD with my 0.01 entry. Happy as a man can be. W, man. W, Andre. W. What time frame? It's 30 minutes time frame. W, Andre. W. Chad, here's the thing, okay? So if you like right now, we're hunting a trades, okay? So if you're like hop on to the chart and then you don't see any like good confirmation, you don't see any good price setup, man, on those particular time. Call it that, you know. Call it and close your PC, close the laptop, and do something else. Because if you're stick like let's say waiting for like this kind of range is, I would say, yeah, we have a big range, but this range is really, inside this range really risky to take a trade. Okay, so the first confirmations is didn't top, we move down. We don't need to chase this kind of candle because it didn't top here. So right now we need to wait for the right, best setup. So you need to understand that trading is all about probability. You need to give yourself a time at least. Give yourself a time to take a trade like 1 to 2 hours a day and then come back on the let's say 1 to 2 hours on the session and then come back on the NY session 1 to 2 hours. And if there's nothing, there's no setup showing up, man, call it a day. 4 hours on trading is enough and then do something else. Looks like 3 8 or 3 3 8 1 is getting now before. Yeah, yeah. So I marked this up as my level. So there is a high chance that we can react on 3803. July, August, September, man. I'm gonna rate that 7 out of 10 or 6 out of 10. But some of the, experienced trader, they made a lot of money buying gold because they have experience already. For me, I don't have any experience on the all-time high. How gonna trade the all-time high, right? When all-time high, when the gold is all-time high, I always, play defensive, right? But when the gold is, pushing down, from there I'm gonna when the gold is pushing down, ranging, from there I'm gonna be aggressive. All-time high, man, it's really risky to take trade, to take buys, to take sells too. So yeah, man. Chat, can I see 20 likes in the stream here? Like the stream, gang. Like the stream, everybody. I want to see 20 likes here at least. Right, 15 is about to close here. Damn. If this candle top 3817, bro. Right. See, look at that. Look at that. Now this area is gonna be tough. You need closure above for more buys here. Closure above for more buys. That was nice. I wanted to take sales coming back down, but there was no entry. Oh yeah, you cannot take sales on the support, right? You need to wait for candle to close below the support to take sales, right? So technically, sell should work on the high here on the resistance. That's why we need to wait for candle to top 3817, but didn't happen. But that's okay, you know. We missed the buzz. That's okay. No FOMO for me. No nothing. I'm just chilling here right now. All-time highs always feel like it is high enough and maybe we're a sell, but gold is yeah, man. So when the gold is all-time high, it's really hard to take buys, really hard to take sells here, right? Are we waiting for sales coach for now? No, we don't have. For me, I'm not gonna wait for sales or buys. I need to wait for price actions to be formed, for candles to move, where the candle's gonna have, because right now we're just stuck in the range. So for me right now, this range is the range of death. Right? When the price stuck in the range and then the range is become small, that's really hard to take a trade. Right? As you can see, one candle move up, fill the range already, half, almost, eight. Right? As you can see, this range fill already, so it's really hard to take a sell on the next candle, open up the candle. But if the candle prints like probably like this, move up, move up, move up. Yeah, this is gonna be nice when we see some candle move down like this. But one candle push up here is really hard to take a trade. Right? It's gonna look like this. There's no range for me to take a sell, to take a trade. It's really hard because we're not gonna trade the middle of the range. As you can see, we're just stuck on the middle of the range here on price. So yeah, don't take any trades. We don't have any high probability trades yet. We need to see the candle stop this support. And once this candle form and then didn't close below, and the candle close back in a range, close like this, yeah, we're taking buys to retest the high here. So yeah. I know chat once you use indicator, I just can't prove it. Oh, I'm not using indicator. Indicator. I'm not using the indicator. Chat, like the stream. Like the stream, everybody. Range of death, chat. As you can see here. Really risky. Nothing is happening. So I'm gonna protect my capital on this session. I thought you use the eyes indicators. Yeah, my eye. Yeah, I use the eyes indicator. And sometimes we use, sticky man indicator, right? You miss out on the joke. Sometimes we use sticky man indicator. You know that, chat? Sticky man indicator. That's really amazing. This guy. When we take a cell, it should be like this. Sticky man indicator. Who got, by the way, chat, who got some, who got some buys here going up early this morning on the price here? Who got some buys here? Who got some buys? Man, 300 pip move, breakout. Who got some buys in the morning here? I got 40 pips. Wow, man. W. There were no good entries. True that. No entries. Yeah. What's the biggest lat you've used so far? I use 10 lat. Yeah, I use bigger lat size when I have funded account challenge ones, the pays ones. Mm-hmm. Don't show me your ways. It's all about practice every single day, bro. Practice it, man. You're going through the process of going to hell. Once I hit one k, yeah, I probably gonna trade some. We gonna pass some funded account with you guys. Trading that live funded account. We're passing funded account once we hit 1k subs. So yeah, we need to hit 1k. And those funded, I'm just gonna trade that only on the London session, only on the live stream, showing you guys how to pass a funded account. We need to hit 1k at least, probably next month. If we can hit 1k, man, that would be nice. Took that 30 minutes buy up to fill a range to come back down. Oh, you got the buys? Where you got the buys here? This one. Fill the week. Week on the left. Oh, that's nice. Oh, we're moving up again here in the 30. We are moving up here. We are moving. Let's see, gang. Let's see. Re-break the high here. That was nice. Once you re-break that, push up. Because we don't have any bottom wick here. No bottom wick. Yeah. Let's see here, gang. Let's see. Oh, if we're gonna take some sells here, 3817. 3817 should be fine. All right, Chad, we're moving up here. BTC-USD is moving up. Oh yeah, it's moving up. That's nice, moving up. 3 minutes for candle to close. Can we re-break that? break that? Stop should be fine here. 26 pips, 20, 30 pips roughly. Be ready here, gang. Be ready for some sales here today. Can you tap now? 3817. Can you tap 3817? How many pips away here? 7 pips away. All right, 2 minutes. Man, we are reacting here on price. We are reacting. Goldie, tap that 3817. Tap that. Can you tap that? Can you tap it? Can you tap it? 7 pips away here. Seven pips away. All right. We're gonna tap now, chat. We're pushing up in any moment. In any second here right now. We re-break the previous candle high in the 30. So once you tap 3817, that's nice. Five more pip. Why you're not tapping that zone? Why you're not tapping that 3817? Tap it now, tap it. Tap it, tap it. It's not tapping the zone. All right, we're re-breaking the high. Now we can tap here. Can we tap that? 5 pips away. All right, chat. Taking sell here right now as we plan. We're tapping the resistance area as you can see here. Taking sell here. We tap that. We tap that. Stop loss is gonna be up here on price. I would say 35 pips. 35 is still good. 35 pips stops. Looks good here. So let's see here, chat. Let's see if we're gonna move down. Give me a second. Oh, we're pushing up. Damn. We might hit the stops, huh? 15 needs to react here on 3819. If they didn't react, we're cooked. Weird cook. This is a good entry too. 3819. That's the second idea there. Let's see. We're gonna move. We're gonna move. This is the same play that we took last Friday. So it's a resistance play. The same thing, this one. But this one is 30 minutes. Yeah, tapping those area, as you can see. Right? That's the 30. All right, we have our reactions on the 5. So 5 can flip on the next 5 minutes candle and should move down here. Oy. Man, nice reactions on the 50 here. 15 minutes resistance. That was really clean reactions. If you got the cells here on the top, man, you're really good here. You are 15 pips in profit. Let's see. Gold sometimes deceive into you thinking it was power to move up and down. Suddenly breaks up in there, man. Yep. The same. Let's see here again. Let's see. I mean, retesting the resistance again. Oh, damn. We might have some new all-time high today. The 4 hours pushing up. The 1 hour is pushing up here. Late candle volume. That was crazy. Late candle. Who's on cells too, chat? Who's on sales too? Let me know in the chat. Who's on sales? Who's on sales here? Let me know in the chat. Oh, Sing is on sales too. Yeah. Me, selling. Oh, nice. That's here. Win or lose, gang. Sell. Ooh. Let's go. Too many sellers today, huh? But if you got the sales here on the first idea, 3819, that would be nice. On the 15. Right? This nice. But we got the sales on the 30 minutes resistance here. So let's see. The 5 man. 5 is pushing up here. This is really the problem. Just watching new here, just so I want to see how you trade. We need to survive on this 1 hour candle. The 1 hour candle in 6 minutes, if we didn't hit the stops, that was good. But if, man, we're moving up now. Anything. Oh, volume here. Volume on the top side. Probably new high again here. New high. Yeah, any close above should be moved. 'All right, no closure. Can we move down now? No closure above. Can we move down? Goldie, what you want? What's your plan, Gold? What's your plan right now? Four minutes for candle to close. We have reactions again on the 15. 5 reactions. So can we move down now, chat? Can we move down? We need 1 hour bottom wick here. So the 1 hour bottom wick, that should be fine. Once we survive here in 3 minutes, 1 hour should be fine here to move up. That's gonna be the out of the trade. The 4 should create a bottom wick too. The same steeper bottom wick. Steeper bottom wick. Bottom wick. Steeper bottom wick. Oh damn, we're re-breaking the high here. Re-sweep. Let's see if we're gonna re-sweep. Because how many pip on the all-time high here? 6 pips away. Yeah, I'm probably gonna move a little bit, chat. 40 pips. So stop is 3821. Right? Because yeah, there's a high chance to re-sweep and then react here. But we need to see if this candle gonna close above on the 5. If this candle close above, yeah, there's a high chance that we can push up here. So overall, 41 pip stops. We need to survive on the 1 here. So the 1 should create a bottom wick. The 4 should create bottom wick. 5 should move down here. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. 1 minute for candle to close. 1 hour probably no top wick. Damn, 1 hour no top wick closure. But I don't want to add pineapple anymore. I don't want to add. I don't want to layer some positions because I don't want to add some risk on the table. Let's see if this candle gonna move down on the next hourly candle. But if you want to add positions, chat, I mean, you can do whatever. For me, I need to wait to go down here. I'm not gonna add any pineapples, any positions. No top wick on the 1. No closure yet above. So there's no closure above. Let's see if we're gonna move down. Let's see. For our next 4 will give us volume. The next 4 will give us volume here. All right, no closure above. That's nice. Now, can we move down? Heavy. We need to see moving down heavy today. No top wick on the 1, 2. There's a top wick, but it's not that good top wick. Can we move down now, chat? All right, man. We're moving down. Now, can we see some profit today? Once this candle re-breaking the lows, man, should move down heavy. Should move down heavy. Oh, that's the bottom wick on the 4 and the 1. Oh, damn. That's the bottom wick, huh? That's the bottom wick. It's a W. Not yet, not yet. I'm still in the trade. Let's see, because we create a bottom wick here on the 115 and the 4. Let's see if we're gonna move up here. If we're gonna move up, that's the move. We're gonna push up all-time high here today. We're gonna push that all-time high. Still no sellers here. No sellers. Oops. Man. That's the 1 hour bottom wick. Oh, snap. 1 hour bottom wick, 30 minutes bottom wick. Yeah. We might hit the stops today, gang. Re-breaking the high. So buyers is activated here. When we re-break the high. So buyers is activated here right now. If they want to take buys, yeah. Because clean traffic going up $5 increment. So let's see. Buyers has been activated here. And their stop should be like this. Let's see here again. Let's see. I'm gonna move down. Could break the highs, then down heavy. Yeah, we re-break the highs now on the 15. But we didn't re-break the all-time high here. 3819. So yeah. For me, I need to see steeper bottom wick on the 1 before you drive up. This is gonna be the liquidity grab here. You need to grab orders at least. Retesting this 3811. Retrace. Let's see. I entered 3818 cells. Oh yeah, that's nice cells. Resistance on the 15. Yeah, this is the first plan that we have. Needs to top 3818 and then the stop should be like this. 35, 30 pip stops. But I see the 30 minutes resistance here. That's why I enter a sell. Right? So yeah, let's see. Five minutes reacting on this. Damn. No sellers yet. No sellers. All buyers. Re-breaking the high again. All right, we're re-breaking the highs here, chat. We might see some push up. All right, new all-time high here will push up. New all-time highs. Damn, they didn't push through. All right, now it's pushing up. It's pushing up. 1 minute for candle to close. Goldie don't want to push down, chat. Goldie doesn't want to push down. Oh, reactions. Damn. Oh. Oh, we're moving out. Nice one, nice one. Oh, what happened to my... What happened to my trading view here? Okay. All right, nice reactions there on the 5. Now we need to wait for candle to close. Or can we move down now, chat? All right, we're moving down. Can we move down even further? Move down even further, gang. Re-breaking this low should be nice. Once you re-break that, man, should move down. We should move down once we re-break that. Three minutes for candle to close. 3 minutes for candle to close. Man, that was nice entry here on 3819, the 15. That was really nice. Nice entry. Re-break the high. Man, good setup here. Once this candle close below, you re-break the high. Yeah, onion setup should be fine here. Onions, yeah. Gold, can we push through now, gold? Can we push through now, Goldie? Goldie, I know you want to move. W Eric, you got where you got the trades up here. 3819. You got the trades there. Nice. That's nice. That was nice. Tu-tu-tu-tu. 1 minute and 30 seconds. Yes, looks good. Yeah, it look good. Yeah, it looks good. But volume, bro. Volume is kinda slow. Kinda slow, man. Volume is kinda slow. Kinda slow. No bottom wick on the 15, man. That looks bad on the 15, man. All right, if this candle close like this, that was nice. It's gonna be nice here on the next 15 to move down. Yeah, resweep is nice. This one. This is one of the setup, two onion setup, so should move down on the next 15 minutes candle. Doo-doo-doo-doo. Let's see, gang. Let's see. So this is a nice setup on the 15 closure. You re-break the highs there. Nice setup. So let's see if we're gonna move down here. Let's see if we're gonna move down. Doo-doo-doo-doo. Volume is kind of slow right now. Volume is kind of slow. All right, man. Can we re-break the low? You're gonna add a position on the re-break? Yeah, you can add. That was nice once you add the positions there. Rebreak. Can you rebreak now, chat? Volume is kind of slow right now, chat. Psst, Goldie. Psst, psst. Didn't re-break the low. So once you re-break down, yeah, we might see some move. We need to see a re-break. All right. So re-breaking the lows. Can you re-break the lows? Can you re-break that? All right. You re-break that. Low should move down. Re-break that low should move down heavy. Re-break now? Yeah, re-break. Yeah. Re-break that. Was clean traffic on the 5, man. Should move down here. Volume is kind of slow here, chat. All right, the re-break is there already. Psst, gold, psst, gold, psst, psst, gold, gold. Psst. What you wanna do, gold, right now? Too many winners again here. Gold. They wanna win. We wanna win gold. Re-break this. That was nice. If you re-break that low there. Volume is kind of slow. Slow volume. Didn't push, chat. Didn't re-break. Didn't manage anything. So if you guys manage something there, you're good. You got some dubs there ready. Let's see. Volume is kind of slow now. Holy. 7 minutes for candle to close. 5 minutes ranging around here. The 5 is ranging. Damn. 6 minutes for candle to close. 30 minutes closure. Looks nice. Looks clean. Going down. But we need to stay bearish like this kind of candle. Who's still holding the trade, chat? Who's still holding the sells here? Let me know. Shout out to 40 viewers right now. Gang, make sure you like the stream. Like the stream, subs to the channel. We're unknown cells here. We got the cells. Oh, Sing is holding. Damn, can we move down now? Re-breaking the lows again here. We are re-breaking. Oh, can I see that re-break of this candle low? Right, can I see that candle low? Re-break that low. Push. Can we push? Please here. W. Yeah, if you got the cells there, W chat. I didn't manage my trade. I'm still on the trade here. I see 6-7 pips in profit, but I didn't manage. I need to see re-break of this candle low so I can manage my trade. Because 30 looks good here, right? The 30, we need to stay bearish. So the 30 should looks like this on the next 30 minutes candle. In 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Three minutes for candle to close. We need volume here to push down. Chat. Volume. That's 5 minutes volume should fine here. 5 minutes. The 5 should move down. This 5 should melt. 2 minutes for candle to close. All right, can we re-break there, chat? Can we re-break now? Move down, gold. Move down. Don't want to re-break. Let's see. This is good probability now. So I'm gonna move my stop here, chat, on the high here. Right? Because we create some structure here, so stop should be fine. 32 pip stops. Bleeder, yeah, 18 seconds here. If close without any top wick, I bottom wick, I probably gonna close half of my position. Wick. I closing half of the position here, chat. No bottom wick here. So I close half at 5. But I'm still on the trade. I just manage, some risk. Just manage the risk here. Once this candle flip, we'll move down. Oh, nice. All right, volume. That was nice. All right, chat. Moving stops to break even here right now as we plan. Right, moving stops to break even, and can we move a little bit for here? 18 pips. Close full right here, chat, at 18 pips. W's in the chat. W's in the chat. If I didn't manage here, man, 18 pips. That was nice. Yep, 18 pips, chat, for me. If you guys still holding the trades, W. Yeah, the bleeder. Volume, and we anticipate volume. Yeah, sometimes volume come late, but the good thing here, we stay on the trade. Right? We stay composed on the trade. So yeah, man, W's in the chat. W, everybody. So onions on the 15 should move down. Damn. Holy smokes here. 18 pips for me, chat. I don't know how many pip are you guys get on that trade. Mm-hmm. 30 minutes resistance, right? Yeah, it's gonna be resistance, weak entries. Oh. Weak entries, resistance, sell, gold, London, 12:30 p.m. Um, 9:29, 20:35. Yeah, trade should find here, right? As you can see here, the plan here is once you top resistance, taking sell. That's the first plan. And bro, I mean, the first plan was 15 minutes, right? This one. If you got the sales on 3819, bro, you're really good. You're really making money here, right? You are 60 pips in profit right now. But yeah, man, this setup is gonna probably we're gonna look on the more on the 50, not in the 30, because 30 still have a lot of time. So I'm gonna look more on 15 minutes time frame. So yeah, chat W's in the chat, bro. If you got that trade W, congratulations. Really nice trade, really clean trade. Damn, we're still moving down here. We are still moving down. Chat, can you spam some W's in the chat here? I'm gonna make some stories today. Spam some W's in the chat. Let's go. Chat, spam some W's in the chat, man. Let's go. Spam some dubs. I want to see spam some W's in the chat. Let's go, gang. Chat, spam some W's in the chat. Let's go. Thank you, chat. Thank you, gang. If you're still holding the trades, W everybody. We have 50 pips. We pick 50 pips now. I got 18 pips. That's all. Sing got pineapples there. W Sing. All right, gang. Man, if you're still holding the trades, W guys. Right now I'm gonna call it. I call it the stream. Thank you guys for tuning into the live stream. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow, right? And if you guys gonna trade later on tonight, make sure you have stop loss. All right, chat. Love and wisdom to you all, gang. Love you guys. Peace and I'm out here.
For my kids, and I ain't saying we was from the projects, but every time I wanna lay away or deposit, my dad would say when you
close your eyelids. We was sorta like Will Smith and his son. In the movie, I ain't talking about the rich ones. Cause every summer, he'd get some brand new hairbrain scheme to get rich from. And I don't know what he did for dope, but he'd send me back to school with a new wardrobe. And hey, I think he did when he packed it up and brought it back to the crib. Just a little something, show you how we live. Everything I wanted, man, it seems so serious. That's that shit. So if you gon' do it just like this. Did you realize that you were a champion? When it feel like living's harder than dying. For me, giving up's way harder than trying. Lauryn Hill said her heart was in Zion. I wish her heart still was in rhyming. Cause who the kids gon' listen to? Huh? I guess me if it isn't you. Last week I paid a visit to the institute. They got the dropout, keeping kids in the school. I guess I clean up my act like Prince would do. If not for the pledge, at least for the principal. They got the CD, then got to see me drop gems like I dropped out a PE. They used to feel invisible. Now they know they invincible. Hey, hey, hey.
This is the story of a champion. Runners in the market, they pop the gun. Stand up, here he comes. Tell me what it takes to be number one. Tell me what it takes to be number one. This is the story of a champion. Runners in the market, they pop the gun. Stand up, here he comes. Tell me what it takes to be number one. Tell me what it takes to be number one.
Did you realize that you were a champion? Yes, I did. So I packed it up and brought it back to the crib. Just a little something, show you how we live. Everybody want it, but it ain't that serious.